have some breaking news right now as we speak on This Is Exclusive, and this is news coming in from West Bengal right now. Remember, there's a controversy that has erupted over a sitting TMC by a TMC minister who is also the mayor, and his divisive comments have come to light. And in fact, he's also defended them, and that's what we are breaking right now. From West Bengal, those who are Muslims are unfortunate. In fact, we can listen into that statement. In fact, we can listen into that shocking statement that is coming from Mamata's minister.
যদি বুঝতে পারেন এবং একজনকেও যদি আমরা ঈমান দিতে পারি, তাহলে আমরা আমাদের জান্নাতের পথ একেবারে সুরক্ষিত হয়ে যাবে। আমরা নিজেরা মুসলিম ঘরে জন্মেছি, মুসলমান ঘরে বড় হয়েছি, আমাদের নামাজ আদব কায়দা সব আমাদের বেশিরভাগই মানুষের জানা। কিন্তু যারা দুর্ভাগ্য নিয়ে জন্মেছে, যারা ইসলাম নিয়ে জন্মায়নি, তাদেরও দাওয়াতে ইসলাম অর্থাৎ ইসলামের দাওয়াত দিয়ে তাদের মধ্যে ঈমান নিয়ে আসলে এটা আল্লাহ তাআলাকে খুশি করা হবে। আমাদের ইসলামের যদি বুঝতে পারেন এবং একজনকেও যদি আমরা ঈমান দিতে পারি, তাহলে আমরা আমাদের জান্নাতের পথ একেবারে সুরক্ষিত হয়ে যাবে। আমরা নিজেরা মুসলিম ঘরে জন্মেছি, মুসলমান ঘরে বড় হয়েছি, আমাদের নামাজ আদব কায়দা সব আমাদের বেশিরভাগই মানুষের জানা। কিন্তু যারা দুর্ভাগ্য নিয়ে জন্মেছে, যারা ইসলাম নিয়ে জন্মায়নি, তাদেরও দাওয়াতে ইসলাম অর্থাৎ ইসলামের দাওয়াত দিয়ে তাদের মধ্যে ঈমান নিয়ে আসলে এটা আল্লাহ তাআলাকে খুশি করা হবে। আমাদের ইসলামের রাস্তা।
And Senator Mayuk is joining us live from Kolkata newsroom. Mayuk, this is on camera. This is a minister in Mamata Banerjee cabinet, and openly he's addressing a gathering and he's making such divisive comments.
Well, absolutely. Firhad Hakim, the Municipal and Urban Development Minister of West Bengal, a very senior minister, Mamata Banerjee's closest confidante, and most importantly, the Mayor of Kolkata. He's saying this in a religious congregation on 3rd of July. The video went viral. BJP leaders have started tweeting on it, criticizing Firhad Hakim's comment. In fact, many organizations had also started criticizing. Non-believers are unfortunate. Those who are not born in a Muslim family, those who are not born in Islam are unfortunate. That is what Firhad Hakim has said, and I quote, and it's a quote-unquote Bengali bite that is coming in, where Firhad Hakim is seen saying, even if we can give iman to a single person also, our path to Jannat will be smoother. We are Muslims, we are born in Muslim family, raised in Muslim homes, we offer namaz, we follow the decorums, but unfortunate are those who are not born Muslims. It's a shocking comment that is coming in from the minister and Mamata Banerjee's close aide, Firhad Hakim. Time and again, Firhad Hakim has been into controversy. He has been accused of several anomalies, and he had also been raided and he was arrested also. But this time, it's absolutely brazen statement that is coming in. A sitting minister, a portfolio member of the Bengal cabinet, he is saying all these things, and that too in an auditorium owned by the state government in Kolkata, in front of press, in front of media. Several media houses were there. It was live streamed, and Firhad Hakim was seen saying that those who are not born in Islam are unfortunate. Firhad Hakim, can he say all these things? Those persons, those voters from Trinamool Congress who have voted for Firhad Hakim, are they unfortunate just because of the fact that they are not born in a particular religion? And whether a sitting minister, whether a leader from Trinamool Congress who call themselves so-called liberal, so-called secular,
right.
The India Alliance, which calls themselves the custodians of secularism, whether one of the partners of India Alliance can say all these things is one of the biggest talking points in Bengal right